Hello, I'm working on this PC. One of my customer brought this PC to fix, and I am working on. He said that every time he puts the power button on this computer, it flicks like that, and it don't stay on. So he was wondering what is the issue and if I can fix it or not. So I said, yeah, let me try. So I thought, okay, usually I troubleshoot it and I always forget to record. So this time I have set up my camera and I'm recording it. So first thing I did, I took the memory out and tried to turn it on. It did not work. So I know it's not the memory issue. So as you can see, I am doing so many different troubleshooting methods. So you'll see in this video throughout. So now I'm going to take that memory out and try to turn it on to see without memory it does the same thing. So what this? Yeah, it did the same thing. And I'm checking if the CPU is overheating, but that's not the issue either. It was, and it's a AMD. I'm checking fan because one fan is it's not moving all the time. It's hard, this one, and the other one is good. So I thought maybe cable was touching, so I moved the cable, but it's still the same. So now let's see. I'm going to take the graphic card out, and you'll see me struggling with the graphic card. Like, oh man, I can't take the graphic card out. But you'll see why I was not able to take the graphic card out. Just wait a minute. So there was a piece of broken piece of DVI port. In port, DVI port, there was a broken piece. So after I took it out, it was easy to remove. Okay, now I am going to check the power supply. I thought maybe power supply is bad because there was a storm going on. There was several motherboard got fried. So I thought maybe I can test with my power supply. So I did, and let's see what happened. Same thing, no solution. So now I think I'm going to check the CPU thermal paste. Yes, thermal paste was very dry. So while I had it open, I reapplied the thermal paste. That's I do all the time. Anytime computer comes, I apply it. And also, instead of putting the AIO, I have a temporary, that heatsink that I put to test if I have to reopen again.